Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see what was searched in Google Incognito mode. Okay, so in this case, you have to go to the search bar and write here CMD and choose Run as Administrator. Now you have to write here ipconfig, sorry, ipconfig space /display DNS. Now hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see all of this searched with this network. You can see all of the searching history with this network. Okay, you can see the IP address is same, and you can see all of the searching address here, the record address adobe.com, this one also Adobe. You can see like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.